welcome to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I'd like to share 3 centerpieces that I was able to make using items from Dollar Tree. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get into it. Since it's fall, we're gonna use a lot of Pinecone for this DIY. I'll be using some silver metallic paint, gold and white to spray a few of them. For the remaining Pinecones, we'll be using some glitters, and to have the glitter stay on the Pinecones, we'll be spraying it with adhesive. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. By using the glitters, it keeps the Pinecone at its natural state. I repeated that same step for all the few remaining of the Pinecones. And to seal the glitter, I'm using this clear acrylic Mod Podge sealer. We will also make good use of baseballs by spraying them with gold, silver, and white. As we continue with this project, we're gonna use one of those mini party bowls with a garden dish, and we're gonna spray them with white paint. Now that they are dry, we're going to glue them together. To add a little personal touch, we'll be using this gold trim and put it all around the rim. This is looking so beautiful. I love it. And for the bottom part, we'll add those little dots in the middle of each little circles. And this is the final piece for this one. I'm so happy how I was able to take a garden dish and turn it into something really beautiful. To decorate this, we can use the balls that we previously spray painted as well as our Pinecones, and this will make a really beautiful centerpiece. Second DIY, we'll use this party bowl as well as one of the mini bowls and spray them silver. And as they dry out, we're gonna go ahead and glue them together. Look at that beautiful detail on the bowls. This one can also be used as a centerpiece, and for now I'll go ahead and add my pie cones to it. And for the last DIY, we'll use this big red bowl with the mini ones, and that one will be spray painted gold. And once it's dry out, let's go ahead and glue them together. This is how that one turned out. It is so beautiful. I really love the gold and also the detail on the mini bowl. And for this one, we're gonna add some pine cone to it as well. Look how this turned out. It is so beautiful. I love the different colors and I love the pie cones. Since now it's fall, it brings out the season and they make a great addition to your tables. Take regular items like baseballs and pine cones and make them into beautiful home decors. I really love how this project turned out, all the different centerpieces that I was able to do. I hope you guys did enjoy this video as well. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my next DIYs, and don't forget to leave in a comment down below which one was your favorite. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.